In this tutorial, we'll explain the difference between sharing and copying your course section to another instructor. Let's start with copying. Copying a section provides your colleague with a duplicate of your course section. It is a one-time, one-direction transaction. Any course features and assignments in your section at that time, including assignment dates, policies, attached files, questions, and content, will be reflected in the copy. Your colleague can edit anything within the copied section. For example, if you want to make a copy of your section for another instructor to use as a template, you will copy your course section to your colleague's account. Now let's explore sharing. Sharing a section allows the instructor, typically a course coordinator or a course lead, to maintain some control over the shared course section. When you share a section, all course features and assignments in your section at that time are shared, including assignment dates, policies, attached files, questions, and content. Unlike copying, sharing a section with a colleague allows you to control the assignments your colleague can use and edit. Sharing a section also allows you to see scores and reports from your colleague's students. Your colleague, however, cannot see your section's scores or reports. The sharing instructor sets these parameters as part of the sharing process. For example, if you are a course coordinator and, for consistency, you want to prevent instructors from editing or changing the course content, you will share a course. Or, if you are a course coordinator and you need to view reporting and course data for other instructors' sections, you will share a course. Now let's walk through the process. Log into your Connect account. Under My Courses, locate the course, then the section. To copy your section to a colleague's Connect account, click on the Section Options menu, then choose Copy Section. On the Copy Section screen, enter your colleague's email. Select Find Colleagues, then select Copy once you've found the correct colleague. To share your course, click on the Section Option menu, then select Share Section. On the Share Section screen, enter the email addresses used by your colleagues. Select Find Colleagues, and then select the number of sections that need to be created in your colleagues' accounts. Select the edits that your colleagues will be able to make in their sections. Then click Share for the sections to be created in your colleagues' accounts.